Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you my ultimate guide to pamper yourself and create the most amazing spa experience at home. I thought it would be perfect to partner with FabFitFun for this idea, as they have a curation of amazing, cruelty-free, full-size products from the best brands, and I customized my spring box so I can use most of the products for my pampering routine. And if you guys wanted to check them out, the link is down below and you can get $10 off your first box. For starters, I like to make a spa fruit infused water, and you can use whatever fruit, berries, or herbs you have at home. Here I'm just cutting up some lime, kiwi, and mint. It's very refreshing and it adds that nice spa touch, and I'm just gonna put that in the fridge to get infused while I prepare my hair mask and bath. I'm so excited to share this DIY mask with you guys. I've been doing this for years and it always saves my hair. I basically put together a bunch of different oils I have at home. Here I have coconut oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, and basically it's just an amazing concoction. So here I'm just doing it 30 seconds at a time so I don't burn myself or my scalp. Then I'm going to set up my oil diffuser, and here I'm using the diffuser that was in my FabFitFun box, and I love it. It's so cute. So next thing, I'm going to apply the mask all over the hair and specifically saturate the ends. From bleaching my hair so much over the years, whenever I do this mask, it really does wonders for me. If you want to maximize its effect, I suggest wrapping a hot towel on it so it penetrates in the cuticles of the hair. I like to decorate the bath with candles and crystals. It makes it feel like a real high-end spa. Then of course, add my favorite bath bombs and bath salts. Adding flowers adds such a nice, luxurious touch. I'm obsessed. Just make sure you clean them out before you drain the bath. You don't want that problem there. I also have this wooden tray that is perfect for setting up a book, computer, or drink that I got on Etsy. And now to the pampering. It's been a long winter for all of us, so the key to keeping the skin moisturized and alive is exfoliating. So I tried this champagne charcoal scrub that came in the box, and I'm seriously obsessed. I wish you guys could smell it through the computer. It's so nice. So I'm just gonna apply it all over the body and then wash it out. Next, I'm going to wash my hair with this living proof detoxifying shampoo to remove any buildup from products, pollution, and hard water minerals, and also that crazy oil mask that we just put on. And after I'm done with the bath, it's time to moisturize. And if you do that right away, some of the water gets trapped on your skin, which amplifies the hydration. You know, mama was always right that you should put lotion right after the bath or shower. After the steam from the bath, your pores are nice and open, so let's apply a mask. Here I'm using the Core's Wild Rose Vitamin C mask. I'm just going to saturate it all over my face, avoiding the eye area, and I'm going to keep it on for about 10 minutes and then wash it out. And that's what I call time well spent. Next, I did not put any conditioner in my hair since we already did the mask with all those oils. So I'm just going to spray generously the OA Detangler that came in the spring box. And I put a lot of it because my hair was a little coarse. I was very impressed and surprised at how well this worked and detangled my hair. It felt like very heavy and easy to manage afterwards. After washing out the mask, it's important to apply a nice moisturizer, and I'm using the one that I always use, and this one is by Derma E. It's a great nighttime moisturizer. Let's not neglect our lips. I feel like I'm the last person on earth to discover this Lush scrub. It's so great and it smells minty. I love it. And lastly, I'm going to apply eye cream, and voila! I am clean, exfoliated, and moisturized. I literally feel like a freshly groomed puppy. I definitely recommend that you check out the FabFitFun box. You get $200 worth of amazing products for only $49.99, and my coupon code for $10 off is down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a like, and I will see you very soon. Bye!